That's amazing.
Yeah, I want this. I've decided. This is the living I want.
Well, take a bunch of pictures and download them, and let's start keeping when we have someone build for us, like this is where we want to go.
Yes, I can do that. And it has this in its backyard.
That pool's gorgeous. I actually like the green. Oh, Gladstone.
And a giant willow tree, Dan. And a rose garden.
Stop to see
That's your view from the beach, or from the pool. The beach. Okay.
Right. The crying on his pillow. Baby's crying.
And looks like there's actually room to build if you ever wanted to do that. So is this Patrick's up here, or do we pass it?
Further.
Yeah, and only 7 minutes to Eddie's house, so we just need to come up with $66,000 a month. 66,000.
Well, I don't think we can put that on a VA loan, so we'd have to come up with a down payment. So that'd be $2.4 million for 20% down.
All right, let's say we can put $3 million together.
Okay, and then it's $9 million.
Then it's only $53 million.
$3,000 a month. Getting a little tired of this Dodge just stopping every time anyone does anything.
Oh no, there was a guy trying to park. I think that's
that
what's been
ramp
happening.
has stopped every single time. To let people in, let people out.
$6 million down. Only $40,000 a month. So I can't even. These numbers don't make sense.
Yeah, only a quarter of your current salary every month. Well, Kristen, we get 50 fucking properties and they all bring in $1,000 a month. We'll start getting there. We'll start getting close.
Okay. Or $5 million.
5 million's aggressive. Here you go, Chris. Right here. You can buy this property. It's a 33-acre horse ranch.
So you see how much that is?
Straight in there. And, sure.
How many millions that is?
Yeah.
You go to sleep, Ted.
Just trying to look at that top Charlie.
Yeah.
He's dead.
He's clenching his fists.
Yeah, he's dying. Sure miss when Charlie was alive when he was a real boy. Not Daddy McDinnerson.
Okay, well, anyway, if we win the lottery, I want that $12 million house. I've decided. It's only 7 minutes from Eddie's.
Yeah, I'm down.
Okay.
Sure, Paul will be fine with it too, but like, here's the deal. I'm going to be our biggest investor in our company. Here's how you go make this money. You hire someone right away to do what would have been my job. You hire an MBA.
Yes, from
Yep.
Agreed, from Anderson or somewhere else, some other great school.
Yeah. Or again, maybe you and I do it. And we partner with Paul. So take me out.